Hello everyone, this is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I'm standing here in front of you together with my daughter Olya. Usually, when we show you the making of a dress, we also show you its review right away. This time was a bit different. We've decided to show you the two dresses at once, mine and the one we made for Olya. I want to show you Olya's dress first, because it was the first one to be made. The dress is absolutely amazing. Have a look at the scallops on the neckline. Both the front and the back necklines were edged with the scallops. I remind you that they were top stitched. Have a close look at the seam. It makes the scallops look very beautiful. The bottom of the dress was also edged with the scallops. The dress was made on the basis of the 10 measurement cutting system. There's nothing complicated about it. The course on the 10 measurement cutting system is available now. The neckline and the bottom of the dress were edged with the scallops. A lot of people asked me to show how to stitch such sleeves. I remind you that there were no princess seams in the dress. Let's have a close look at them. These are actually the flounces. They were edged with rolled hem. You need to be very accurate and attentive when edging the crepe fabrics with rolled hem. Make sure that you don't stretch or get the fabric when stitching it. Try to find the threads of the matching colors. This is very important. Let's have a look at the way the sleeves were stitched. The other side was also edged with rolled hem. After that, the flounces were stitched to the dress right along the hem. There is no need to make the princess seam to attach the flounces to the dress. I remind you that the center sleeve should be cut on the bias. Due to this fact, the sleeves look very beautiful and light. You can make the flounces of any shape and size you want. In our case, the flounces are circle. You can make 2 circle or even 3 circle flounces. The scallops also make the dress look absolutely amazing. Olya, please tell our subscribers how happy you are. I really am. I love the dress. I think that it's perfect for different special occasions. Olya looks amazing. She has a pair of the very beautiful matching shoes. I think that the outfit is absolutely gorgeous. Let's have a look at my dress. This is Gucci style dress. Have a close look at it. It's actually of the very simple design. Notice that we've attached the decoration to the shoulder. There was one thing we had to change off the camera. The fabric is pretty strong. When we started stitching the dress, we realized that the fabric was too strong for us to make the gathers in this detail. This is why we had to remove them. If the fabric you are working with is softer, you can make the gathers here. I think that the dress looks very beautiful without them as well. There is a slit in my dress. Have a look at the way the black detail on the front goes to the back. You can make a multicolored or a single-color dress. You can, for example, cover the details which are white in my dress with lace or net. The dress would also look very beautiful in this case. You can attach different decorations, embroideries for example. If you are not planning to decorate the shoulders, you can make different beautiful necklines. The most important thing is that you need to understand that you can decorate the dresses however you want, with lace or net, with embroideries, beads or crystals. I don't recommend decorating the shoulders if you are planning to wear different bright accessories. Anyway, the dress is very beautiful. I love dolman sleeves. The dress is actually made of the very cheap modeling fabric. I wasn't planning to wear this dress. I love it. I'm not going to throw it away. I want you to have a close look at the shoulder seams. They are absolutely perfect. I don't know why, but a lot of people find it difficult to work with the balance extension. I honestly don't understand that problem. The garments we sew are always absolutely perfect. I've added 2 cm for the balance extension to the shoulders. You can see that they fit me perfectly. We haven't changed anything off the camera. The more you practice, the less problems you'll have. There are some very important details. The lengthwise grain, the crosswise grain. I show you modern, useful sewing techniques, the ones which I use. Forget about the complicated, old-fashioned techniques. The waistline should be cut on the crosswise grain. The bottom should be cut on the crosswise grain. There's one more thing I want to tell you. If, for example, the back is longer than the front for some reason, don't ever cut the extra piece from the bottom. It's very important for the bottom to be cut on the crosswise grain. What I recommend you doing in this case is making a seam here on the waistline. If you alter the bottom, you won't be able to stitch it accurately. This is a very useful technique. I want you to be able to sew beautiful, high-quality garments. This is why I show you so many different useful techniques. I think that we both look amazing wearing these dresses. They're perfect for some special occasions. Let's be different and beautiful together. Don't be afraid of experiments, and remember that practice makes perfect. We're Paukshte Irina and Olya. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.